September the 3rd, and on my way to work this morning, the transmission decided to blow apart my car. Seems like the differential pin came out on my Saturn, and if you look down here, you can see the stream of tranny fluid all the way down the road to the next concession, where I actually managed to drive the car to a shop, and I had to push it down the driveway because at 6,000 RPM it would not move anymore. Walking back, I have found some pieces of shrapnel from the housing of my transmission, and where it looked like it was leaking is right around the differential area. So it looks like I'm going to be changing the transmission of my car this weekend instead of having fun with my girlfriend. Well, I just thought I'd keep you posted on when I take the transmission apart. I will tell you for sure what happened to it. Have a good day.